Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So a few hours ago, I put up a poll asking you guys what you would like to see me open first. I received a bunch of boxes today, and last I checked, the winner is Boxycharm Premium. I was just gonna look at my phone to see the percentage now. Last I checked, I think Boxy Premium was winning at like 42% or something like that. My phone's on the charger in another room. So yeah, that is what we're opening today. We will do an unboxing. I will insert some clips of me trying on some of the items, and then at the end of the video, I will quickly recap last month's products. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love beauty boxes, subscription boxes too, then I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. We also have a giveaway going on our channel that ends I think in less than a week, so if you guys have not yet entered, I will leave a card for it at the end of this video so you can check that out and enter after this. So Boxy Premium, it is $35 a month, and I believe you're supposed to get like 6 to 7 products. So when I open it up, there is a card. There have been some months where we didn't get this like insert card, and I guess the theme is sunshine, and I have variation number 59. You guys wanna see? I will include the weight and dimensions of my box on the screen and down in the description box in case you haven't received yours yet and you have your tracking and are curious if we got the same box. Here is a little sneak peek and let's get started. So this month I received 6 products and I tried on 3 of them. And with Boxycharm, each month you can customize 1 item. So let's start with the item I customized. I picked the Brow Bar Hollywood Icon Collection palette, and this is both an eye and like a face palette. Kind of has everything in there. Yeah, I already have fingerprints, whoa, all over it. So you get a nice mirror, and there is a brush. I know it'll fall out when I show you guys the shades and everything. So one side is a like blending brush and the other is a packing brush. So it seems pretty good actually for a brush included in a palette. I did not use it today because I actually received another eyeshadow palette, which we will talk about next. But I did use certain shades in this palette and I did swatch it, so I will insert that on the screen, but this is what it looks like. So you get a translucent powder, and they say you get a bronzer, which I believe they're talking about this shade here, but that is definitely more blush. And these are the 2 blushers. And I have to say, these are too small for my blush brushes to fit into, and I feel like every blush brush I've ever used would be, you know, a little too big. I did attempt it, you will see. And then there are 2 highlighters and 4 eyeshadow shades. This like green shade really speaks to me. I wanted to use it today, but did not. So I did apply the translucent powder all over my face and even my under eyes, even though I try to avoid it now. And yeah, I'm looking a little crinkly, but yeah, it worked fine. It really does seem to be translucent. And then I kind of used all of the blush shades because, yeah, like I said, it was hard to get into those smaller shades, which I thought would be a better fit for me. So yeah, I just kind of went into what they call a bronze shade. I'm still confused by that. Maybe for deeper skin tones it would work as a bronzer since it has like a red base. I don't know. Yeah, so really all I used was the top row. I am excited to use the rest of it, and this would be a great travel palette. I feel stupid even saying that these days, you know, but really this would be convenient. I really liked that Cover FX palette. We got that in Boxycharm, right, like a while ago, and that was a full like face and eye palette, or at least face palette. I don't know, but I remember really liking that, and I did use that to travel, so I would consider doing that with this as well if I like everything else. We shall see, but yeah, I like this product. Let's see how much it costs. Oh wow, this is $45. And I'm not sure I said this, but it's the Drama Queen palette. So the next palette we received that I tried today is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam palette. And there's Manny. At first I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep this or not. I've only tried like 1 Morphe item, or maybe more than 1, but 1 palette in the past. I wasn't really a fan. And I wasn't really a fan of Morphe, but I kind of support their recent decisions and stuff, so I'm like, you know, I'll try it. And this is what it looks like. There is a mirror. So you get, I just had to like do math, I'm a little slow today. There's 12 shadows and then 2 highlight shades. And I'm not sure if I don't think I did swatches for this. There's really only one shade worth swatching, and I have that on my eyes. It's Aries, and it's like a duochrome, I think. It's so cool. I don't know if you could see the shift. It's like a purple-blue shift. Oh, let's see if we can get it. Yeah. So when I saw this shade in the palette, I just instantly went to swatch it. And then when I saw the swatch, I was like, yeah, I need to use this palette and put that shade on my eyes. And that's what I did. So first I went into the shade Sophie over here and put that, and I blended that into the crease, and that blended out fine. It's actually a really good transition color or crease color for me. And then I went in with Spellbound, another matte, and I put that like in the outer half of my eyelid. And then at first I went into Aries with a brush, and that just, don't even try. Definitely way better to use your finger. So I just used my finger and swiped it all across my lid. And then right in the front of my eye, I went in with a little bit of Leo, which is like a purpley shimmer. And then I also took Spellbound, that deeper matte, on my lower lash line. And then last I went in with one of the highlight shades, Nova. And I actually used Nova also on my face as my highlight today. So I'll swatch that for you guys too. So those are all the shades I used on my eye today. Two of them are like super close, sorry about that. But I thought I'd at least show you that. So I think all of them worked really well together. And yeah, I actually like it. And I believe this is $20. Let's see. Yep, this is $20. And I'm pleasantly surprised with this. I can see myself reaching for this, but yeah, that one shade, Aries, is definitely my favorite. And I do like how the look came out. So the next and the last item that I tried today is actually an eyelash primer by Milk Makeup. This is their Cush Lash Primer. And this is the outer packaging. Let's get it out. It's really heavy. Like, it feels like kind of like luxurious, just the weighted feel to it. And I only applied this to one of my eyes, this one here. And then after that, I applied the mascara I've been using, the Wander Beauty Mile High Club. So this is what it looks like. It is white, so I put this all over my lashes. And at first I was like, oh gosh, is the mascara gonna be able to cover up this, you know, white mascara pretty much on my eyes? And it did, and I must say I do think it does what it claims. It says this is supposed to be a thickening agent, that sounds weird. It's supposed to thicken your lashes. Let's see what it says exactly. Yeah, a lash primer with thickening heart-shaped fiber and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for a volumizing base. And when I really look up close, I don't think they're that different. It definitely did not lengthen my very short lashes, but it did thicken them like it claims to do. I think that's the main claim, right? Yeah, thickening and then conditioning. Yeah, it doesn't even say lengthening. So I'm gonna continue using this, and I'm actually excited to do so because I can use any help with my lashes. So I don't know, you guys probably, there's no way you can probably tell on camera. I tried to like do a close-up earlier, but even I can't really tell. Like when I was applying it, I could totally tell the difference. And I used just like one coat on each lash. So this is $24. Can't remember if I told you that already. And yeah, I'm actually happy. I'm excited to start like incorporating this into my makeup routine. And I wonder if it conditions your lashes with the cannabis oil, like if that helps the overall health of your lashes too in the long run. That would be great. Now let's move on to the last three items we didn't try. The first is a skincare item, and I've never heard of this brand or this product. I think the brand is By Road. Is that how you say it? By Row, and this is their Bitter Green Essence Toner. You guys know I'm all about skincare. I actually received so much Korean skincare over the past few days, so I want to do like a Korean skincare haul. So I'm pretty good with like skincare. I have so much to test already, but I'm gonna look into this more. Ooh, it looks really cool. Oh, there's like some cats fighting or playing in the background if you guys hear that. I love the color of it. At first I thought maybe this was Korean skincare, but it says Biro, New York. But anyways, oh my gosh, you guys, this toner is $95. What? The Bitter Green Essence Toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. Alright, I am gonna keep this and try it out. So I'm gonna put some on my hand just to like feel the texture. Seems kind of thick. It's not coming out too fast, but that's good. I mean, you won't waste product, and this is like $95. It's kind of like hard to shake up. It smells like herbally. Oh, didn't it say basil? My memory is so bad today. I barely slept last night, and it's really affecting me today. Yeah, it did say basil. But it does feel nice. Actually, those few drops were more than enough. That's probably why it doesn't drop out quick. So they designed it well, which you would expect for $95. I really like how it looks. Like, this will look nice in your bathroom. Like, look at my bougie skincare. So yeah, I'll try this out and review it next month for you guys. Next, this is an item I've had before, and I don't know why. I want to say I got like in a single swag. It was definitely a subscription box because that's where I get everything. But this is Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. Argan Oil 7 formula delivers a combination of multi-benefits, detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, and enhances natural body. You probably know this just based on that, but it's a hair mask and it's in a coconut scent. I am overloaded on masks, so hair mask and face mask, but hair mask is what I'm referring to. So I think I might put this in my future 10K giveaway. I'm not sure yet. I just started using all new hair products, and I just cleaned my hair, but I feel like it looks dirty, but it's not. Like when I feel it doesn't look dirty, but I've been using hydrating products. And, yeah, I don't know. I want to go back to my old routine, but anyways, this is $24, and I wish I could remember what I thought of it. I think I liked it. I think it might have been when I was in Chicago. Like, it's been a while. If anyone remembers where this is from, yeah, let us know. So yeah, not super exciting for me, but I think it's kind of cool they included it in this box. It says protect from chlorine and salt water, and it's summertime. I don't think I've ever seen any other hair product say that. Oh yeah, so you can use it as only a 1-minute mask. That's nice. And you can also use it before swimming. So you want to put it on right before swimming. It's not like using it in the shower and then swimming 8 hours later or whatever would help, I guess. The next item I was hoping I didn't get. I saw other people unbox this, and I just do not need it. And this thing is ridiculous. It's a cuticle oil, and it's the biggest cuticle oil I have ever seen. Like, this would last years, at least if you use cuticle oils as sparingly as I do. I leave one on my bedside table, so I will like go to bed and do that to like improve the health of my cuticles, and I still forget. I think I have like 4 cuticle oils around my house that are open and barely used, so I definitely don't need this. But if you're in the market for one, this is great because it'll probably last you forever. How huge is this? 2.5 fluid ounces. Who is this by? Kukio Natural Luxury Spa Cuticle Oil. It's revitalizing in milk and honey. And it says apply 1 drop to each cuticle and massage gently. Yeah, this will last forever. So with this item, again, I'm considering putting it in future giveaway. It's $18. A unique natural hydrating complex of rich lightweight oils with extra antioxidant benefits from vitamin E that absorb completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. So yeah, not exciting to me. We have one more item, right? Oh no, that was everything. For some reason I was thinking there was one more item, but yeah, so that was everything in the box, and I liked everything I tried. I am excited also to try out this toner more, and I just like how it looks. So yeah, pleasantly surprised by the Morphe palette. I do like that Drama Queen like brow bar palette. I need to try more of the items in there. Yeah, those blush little thing, I guess I'll use them as eyeshadows. Yeah, that's a good way. So I can still get use out of them, but it's impossible to get a blush brush in there and then apply it evenly over your cheeks, or like how I like to do my blush. And I'm excited to use this primer for my lashes. So I would love to know what you guys think of my box, and also if you get Boxy Premium, let me know what you received. Are you happy with your box? Are we box twins? I would love to hear down in the comments. But now let's transition into a quick review of last month's box. I've got my little sheet here. So yeah, I even had my thumbnail last month that I was not impressed with the box. So I actually only ended up keeping 2 of the items. One item was the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, and I do like this, but honestly, I only use one shade, the light contour. I used it today. I use such a little amount, and I don't do it every day. Like, I have a feeling I might like end up forgetting about this. Like, in a way, I wish I passed it on to someone else so they could enjoy it. I like receiving contours and stuff, but when you get a palette like this, I think it's great there's something there for hopefully all skin tones or most, but yeah, for me, I just don't get a lot of use out of many of the shades at all, so I'd prefer just to get like a single, but I get why they do this in subscription boxes, and Boxy can't like follow the beauty profile we made like 2 years ago now, so I guess this is better than them trying to select a shade for me. But yeah, happy to have it, like the packaging, all that, everything I said in that video holds true, first impressions. And the next item that I kept actually was something I wasn't thrilled about in the first impressions and unboxing, and that was a shower gel. It's in my shower now. I didn't go grab it, but it's a Skin & Co. It's like the limited edition, like, I don't know the name of it, but it smells like lemongrass, and I do like it. I think it's a very like uplifting scent to like when you shower in the morning and stuff, and I enjoy the fragrance, like lemongrass fragrance. I just think getting like a shower gel isn't the most exciting thing. Like in a beauty box, I'd rather get, you know, more makeup or whatever. But yeah, I'm actually using that every day now, and I'm enjoying it. And yeah, everything else I got rid of. So there's 2 Kat Von D or KVD Vegan Beauty products, a lipstick in a fall shade, and also like their ink liner in black. So yeah, didn't keep those. And then there was a Glow Recipe avocado mask, and I know a lot of people were excited about that, and like I'll give them credit, like that was a cool product to add, but I don't know if it's just me, but I don't love Glow Recipe products, the ones I've tried, and I already have a bunch of skincare like I've already said in this video, so I ended up passing that on because I knew someone else would enjoy it a lot more than me. And yeah, like I said, I don't know, I'm just not like there for the hype of Glow Recipe. Maybe I just haven't tried the best item, but like people raved about that watermelon mist, and I thought this sucked. And then we received this like double-ended brush by Billion Dollar Brows. I still have that around somewhere. I might include that in a giveaway, I don't know. But I don't like double-sided brushes. It's just weird to store, I don't reach for them. And it was like a contour brush, I don't know. So, and they said it was like $30. But yeah, so last month, first impressions held true. Not very impressed. 2 out of 6 items. Yeah, so yeah, so that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Let me know if you have any plans or what you're doing at home. I could use some ideas, but yeah, love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.